How to make money online for free with no money, part 2. So go to Google and search for AliExpress. As you can see, there are thousands of products at wholesale prices, and they will ship directly to your customer. Now, choose the category you like. I'm just going to choose electronics, and then mobile phones. Next, click on filters and select free shipping. Now select as many items as you want. Add your markup and go advertise it on Facebook Marketplace. When you get a sale, just pay AliExpress, keep your profit and let them ship directly to your customer. Now, before I get a lot of angry comments, yes, this is borderline dropshipping. The shipping takes 6 weeks plus. And then who's going to trust you enough to send money to a stranger? Now, with affiliate marketing, you don't need to carry stock, deal with shipping, sales, or try and convince somebody that you are trustworthy enough to send money to. If you sell digital products, there is no shipping as the customer has immediate access. Bonus, everything is taken care of by your affiliate partner. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you.